Where? Topserve. Topserve. How many times did I call Topserve? How comes nobody is talking about this? Nobody is talking about this bag by Topserve. This bag, he bag ni game changer. This bag, I think I'm gonna do a series about this bag because this bag takes me everywhere, like literally everywhere. Hii bag ni kubwa. I think I'll stitch in the video. I even discovered they have a smaller version, haka kadogo, na kana work vizuri sana. I discovered something about this bag. This bag is very good for deliveries. If you deliver your cakes by hand, get this bag, the big size. This is 100 bob, this is 90. Asijalipwa. This is not a paid ad. I'm just here to plug you with the things that really work for me. I was just wondering how comes I keep going back to Topserve after many years, but it's because of consistency na vitu wako nazo. So this bag, I'll loop it, I'll stitch it in this video. Or rather, I think I should keep quiet kwanza morning. In this video, I use it to transport cakes. If you're doing a hand delivery, una deliver na mkono keki, I will add it to this video. Unatumia hiyo bag, inakubebea keki hata ya 2 kg. 2 kg ni 12 inch. It can carry a 10 inch, 12 inch, and you can carry two like this, side by side pamoja. Ukienda delivery, yeah? The bag itself, I also use it for events. Like right now, I'm preparing to leave for Aurora show. I'm gonna use the same bags to carry my knives, kama imejaa maua, like vitu za finishing, and I mean it's stylish, unaibeba vizuri, una feel organized. And guess what? This bag has become a conversational starter. I've met 2 people. One I met in Mombasa, and the other one was funny. I was in Kampala. Kampala nikakutana na mtu amebeba hii bag. So of course, you know me, I'm a social bird. Mimi nitakusalimia. If you put me in a room with strangers and give me 10 minutes to make friends, I will come out with 5 friends. You can take that to the bank. So I saw this bag, someone amebeba in Kampala. Of course, I reached out and said hi. And of course, I was like, I like your bag. And she laughed. Then the next question was, are you a baker? Are you a baker by any chance? And of course, she was a baker. Hii bag ni convenient. You can travel with it anywhere. And what Topserve have done, which is very genius, this is free marketing. Si tuko huku tukibeba na my bags. Yeah, sorry for that boda guy. Ataki ni thrive. Si tuko busy huku tukibeba na bags. Kumbe we are spreading word. In my house, I keep telling guys, nitoleni bag ya Topserve, nataka kwenda soko, nataka kwenda tao, nataka kwenda errands, I have a function. Why? It is branded. This is called brand visibility. Like, I just love these bags. If you're struggling, unabeba keki hivi na mkono ukienda delivery, please get these bags. And the interesting part is, you can't just go to Topserve and say nataka bag yenyu. Nah. Hiyo receipt iwezi toka bila kitu. So you go promote them, buy something from them, and then order these bags. Sema slice, like wanameloka alikutuma, because this bag became changer. Simon, wa Topserve, big up to you. This one, you guys nailed it. Hii ni mama na baba. Let me loop in the video of what I actually do with these bags. Mnemonic hii bag inanisaidianga sana. Like, follow and share. Nitaongea kidogo when I'll stitch the video. I think nitaweka hapo kama continuation. Bye.